Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be doing a bumper cutout on my G35. So basically we took the tail lights and everything off to take the bumper off. So there's about like 2 screws on the side right there, and just take those off. First one's right there, and the other one you gotta go inside to take it off. Don't mind, it's just all my shop right here, you know. I don't got space at home. So yeah, basically it's in there, down there, behind this, all of it over there. So yeah, just take those out, and then you're gonna have to take the tail lights out. There's about 3 screws, one right there, right there, and then 2 over there. Just take those out, and then you can also unplug your tail lights, and then take them out, and then you got another push pin right there, and then these tabs right there, and then you can take the bumper off. I already cut the holes out with the drimmal. So these are the ones that we're gonna be installing over there. I already drilled the holes where I need to go with the Sharpie and everything, mark everything, and now I just need to put those back in. You're gonna have to remove the bumper because you're gonna need to take that foam thing out. Okay, so we put it on just to see how it looks. I'm gonna black out these chrome bolts just so kind of like match up the whole thing. Still gotta do the other side, and I mean so far it looks pretty good. You can see like air can probably pass from underneath to come right here. Alright, so it's been about like 4 days now since I last picked up. We still haven't really installed it yet because I'm thinking about wrap it first. So I'm just gonna set the camera down and record time lapse. Okay, so since it's really cold, it's especially the vivid, it's thicker material, and it's just really pain to do it in a cold weather. But we'll see how it goes. So I just took the bumper off to kind of do all the corners and everything nicely. Kind of a little messed up here and there. All my wrap kind of messed up my previous wrap, so I'm probably gonna have to lift it up and redo it. And also the fuel door, which sucks. Alright guys, so bumper is on, so I added a little bit of a montage for you guys. It was my first time using gimbal, so let me know in the comment section how I did, and just sit back and enjoy. And one thing I totally forgot to mention is that there's gonna be a plastic piece right here that's gonna be blocking all the air from going into your bumper. To remove that, so that way you can get all the airflow from your tires and everything coming out of these bumper cuts, so that way you get all the smoke and everything coming out of this. So go ahead and do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please hit the like button and consider subscribing, because this is gonna be my daily and drift build, which is gonna be a little hard, to be honest, not gonna lie, but up for the challenge. And consider subscribing to the journey with me, making mistakes and learning how to drift. And yeah, consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.